how was your day today?
Yay.
Now you're eating some witch's brew. Kit Kats, yum. How was your day today? Gage came home for lunch, which was nice to see them during the day. Who remembers this shirt? Okay, something that's funny is Winston said, oh, that's a worm. At first I thought it was an alien. I actually did too when I first saw that shirt.
It's head and
Well, yeah, but at first I just was only like looking at this and I was like, oh, that's an alien.
It's so silly, guys.
It's so silly. What do I spy over here? What?
I see it.
Pumpkin cookies. I'm gonna put the recipe for these pumpkin cookies down below. 3 ingredients, that's all you need. They're so good. I would say that I'm making them because, you know, like fall is soon and, you know, it's feeling like fall and people are decorating for fall. I don't feel like fall is gonna be here anytime soon because it is hot and I have been hot all day running errands.
This is what they look like.
Well, you have to show right here. Right here.
Oh, look, it's my favorite foods.
But I don't eat like
Yeah. Anyways, what I was saying is, I don't feel like it's fall. It was so hot today, and I make pumpkin cookies all year round because they're so good.
I have one.
You had one? Good. Everyone can have one. Oh, we got some mini cucumbers for dinner. I like to put these in vinegar, like flavored vinegar. Just cut them up, put them in there. Layla mentioned cucumbers actually a couple vlogs ago because she had cucumbers at lunch and she was disappointed because they hadn't been in vinegar because that's how we always have them. And they're so good. It's a really good snack.
We had cucumbers again without vinegar.
What'd you say?
We had cucumbers again without. Watch this,
I bet
guys.
they won't do
See
vinegar at
this?
school because I bet a lot of people don't like it. Nice. Hey you, listen. Winston stayed home from school sick, so you need to lay down. That is the rule.
Go away from you, sick boy.
No, if you don't want it, then put it down. I'll cut up the rest. Okay. Hey. These are my snacks. I bet you guys so many snacks. These are my snacks.
Let's go.
Okay, cut up the cucumbers. Now I have this vinegar and I also have this vinegar. So I like whatever. I really actually like this one so much. I don't know, just you know, anywhere you can get Kroger, but I love this vinegar.
Bro, go
And
down.
some people mix it with water, but I just, you know, go for it. Because I want the full flavor.
Is that water?
Absolutely not. This is vinegar. I should have just taken the lid
That's my
off.
first time looking at vinegar.
This is your first time looking at vinegar?
Yeah, can I have a drink of it?
Doubt it.
Can I have a drink of it?
Yeah, drink it. Drink the rest of that.
Oh, good. I forgot what the taste is. Mom, that's way too much.
Why? You need to have them fully submerged here. And then if you, well, they weren't full. Neither of them were full. Hey, wait. Anyways, so you're going to, want them to be completely covered. And then if you have more cucumbers, as you eat them, then you can put more in there. Also, red onion, so good in there. Also, the longer you let them sit and just, you know, marinate, the better they taste. So it's 4 o'clock now. We'll probably eat dinner at like 7-ish. So we're just gonna let them sit in there until we eat dinner.
Hey, Mom.
Hey, what?
I kind of drink half that bottle. It tastes sweet.
It does not.
Yes, it does.
You could never drink vinegar. Do you know what I did actually? You hear like all these things about apple cider vinegar, like all the health benefits. So I was like, I'm gonna start doing that every single morning. I did it for like 3 days and I was like, I'm not doing this anymore. It just like hurt my belly. Anyways, let me know if you do it or if you've like found something else, like a supplement or something that is as effective, because I know that they make them, but it's like, is that as effective as like just the real stuff, you know? You just never know. So, I gave up.
Guess what, guys? Okay, so one of my friends, there's a fly right there in the classroom.
Nuh-uh, right on his eye?
No, right there.
It landed on his eye right there?
No, yeah, right there.
What?
Is it stuck
That is
in there?
wild.
No, it's like it
Did that
landed.
freak him out? That would freak me
she
out.
was like,
Oh, it was a girl?
yeah.
That would freak me out.
It was mine.
Darn flies,
bet we-
right? Am I right?
Mom,
I just actually
hit in the stomach.
put apple cider vinegar in these, try to make traps. Sometimes they work and sometimes they don't, and I don't know like what I do different. But I am definitely covering these cucumbers up because it will soon turn into a fly trap if I don't. It's disgusting. There we go. We're just finishing up dinner. And homework, we got, what? Ew, Layla, no doing that. What is, oh, it's a paper towel. And homework, Layla did an excellent job with her letters. Oh, careful, I have a needle in my hand. And now I'm just doing some mending.
Mending?
Some mending, is that what it's called? No, I'm trying to fix Layla's skirt. So she wears uniforms, obviously. And all the, I waited too long. I just waited too long. So I got these uniforms. And they're not from the right place, but don't tell because they're supposed to be. And they're too big. And they don't have the adjustable button inside, you know, so we can't cinch it up. It doesn't have loops for a belt. And this is just not about to stay up on her little waist. It's the smallest size that they had. So I did something similar to Layla's other skirt. She has worn a skirt like this. It came as a pack of two. I'm very grateful that they got here in time and that she has them and it's wonderful. And all I'm saying is that they need the buttons. With the other skirt, I cut little holes on the inside because I saw this hack with jeans that you can, you know, just do the inside, like you just grab like the inside layer and then you can cut a little hole and then you can put a string through it and then cinch it like a drawstring. And I was like, oh, I'll do that. That would be so easy with the skirt. I can just do that. And I was like, oh yeah, that feels right. That's good. And I cut the sides, it didn't register that the string needed to go all around and then the cuts would be in the front, not on the sides, and that's not possible with this. So I ended up just taking some of this bungee string for jewelry and looping it through the holes and tying it tight, and it worked. This held up and it worked, but I'm a little nervous that it's going to rip because the fabric is pretty thin.
Mom.
So I'm now fixing Layla's other skirt. Did you touch this, Layla?
No.
I don't believe you.
I did.
You did, yeah, I figured. And so I thought, I'm gonna just stitch this one and see, but I did take 4-H. I did learn how to sew when I was little. I forgot everything, and this is what I did.
What?
I bunched it up. See that, Layla? It's kind of like your other one. I don't feel like this is as durable as the little holes I cut in the other one, but we'll see. I've actually been pretty impressed by how well. This is just really hard to tie, you know, so it's like unpredictable. I was a little worried about the tying it together. So that's okay, so I'm gonna try something different. I'm not gonna tie it together. I'm just gonna cinch that and then try to tie it so that it holds it. But this material is just so thin that I'm afraid it's gonna rip around it. But anyway, I know that this isn't right. I know that I don't know what I'm doing, but you know, for anyone else out there that just makes do with what you can do. I see you. Oh, are you ready for bed?
No,
I'm ready for bed.
Tired.
Casey's been gone for a week, and it's been hard, honestly. I don't know. You would think that by now it would just be fine and easy, but it's like,
well, we go to school.
This has been an emotional year. And I have a break, and I do get things done during the day, but it's just been emotional. So I've needed his support. Plus, he doesn't have service, and when I can text him, I don't want to be like, I'm so emotional and it's so hard. I'm just like, everything's good, but it's been hard. It's been emotional just getting back into the routine.
Mom.
Last week I was pretty exhausted. This week I'm feeling better, but last week was tough.
What?
And it's just the beginning.
You
just the beginning of
stabbed it
hunting
from
season.
the skin? Guys, look.
It is not through my skin, it's through my sweats, so that we didn't lose it and then get stabbed. I was completely fascinated by this situation. I have to keep Rosie safe also. Rosie needs a haircut so bad. All right, well,
Guys,
Braylee's on a date. Gage, I think, went to bed when she's in the tub getting ready for bed, and this one's about to go to bed.
we're gonna take a bath first.
Okay, has to be. Ew, Layla.
It's gum.
It is not gum, it's paper towel. Let me see. Ew, it is paper towel. That's not good to eat. Paper towel is not to be consumed, okay? I have my feet on some cereal boxes that I'm pretty excited about. I'll probably show those tomorrow because I've been waiting. They're like the plastic ones. I haven't opened the package yet, but they're the plastic ones, so we can put all of our cereal in there because we have cereal everywhere. So I need to get it all contained. I need to get my pantry cleaned up. I told the kids I was making snack buckets because they eat 97 snacks every day when they get home from school. I'm like, we're not gonna have any snacks, so I'm gonna put just enough snacks for everyone for the week, and if they eat all their snacks, then they don't get any more.
I swallowed a paper
Disgusting,
towel.
Layla. Disgusting. Okay. Clearly, we need to go to bed if we're eating paper towels. You need to go finish your dinner.
I don't want to.
How were your cucumbers? Okay. I thought they were delish.
They're great.
They're great. Let us know if you try them. Okay. We'll see you next time.
Hold on. But I didn't tell you this. Why did I say this instead of this? This is my baby voice. This.
Okay, what?
Okay. Make sure if I didn't say this in this video. Just to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss another video like this. And make sure to subscribe to all our videos. Comment down below, give us a big thumbs up, and comment down below if you think that Bailey's dress is gonna be pink or purple.
Well, for homecoming coming up. Also, my hairstylist just fried the front of my hair, so this has been nice and fun. But also, it's me. I'm the hairstylist. I fried my hair.
And
Fine.
guys, I need to tell you something.
What?
Guess what?
What?
Tomorrow is 100 holiday.
It is not. Okay, we'll see you guys later. Bye.